Okay, we will answer this one. So, ang gagawin natin dito, we have to evaluate the innermost parentheses. Okay, so kopyahan muna natin itong 4 minus tapos brace 8 minus then bracket 9 plus ito. Simplify muna natin yan. So, 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay? Then, 4 minus 8. Okay? Then, minus, ito namang 9 plus 4 is simplify natin yan. So, that is 13. Okay? Then, 4 minus 8, negative 13. Diba? So, 4 minus 8 minus 13 is negative 5. Then, subtract natin yan. So, kapag mag-subtract tayo, dito tayo sa taas, we have to change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. So, ito magiging plus na yan. At itong negative, magiging positive or positive 5. So, therefore, yung sagot natin dyan ay 9. Sa choices natin, letter C is the correct answer.